Greetings, ITCE students, and welcome to week 4. So this week we're going to look at 2 assignments that are due this semester. One is the informational interviews assignment, and that's worth 20% of your final grade. And the other one is the potential sources for my informational interview reflection, and that's worth 5% of your final grade. So you need to do this one to get some feedback from me to confirm that you're on the right track for your informational interview. That's one reason to do it. And the other reason is I'm trying to encourage you not to put this assignment off to the last minute, because it will be painful if you do that, to try to find someone the night before to interview. So these slides, for the next couple of slides, we're going to talk about what is an informational interview. And we might watch this little video segment. It's about 5 minutes in class, kind of summarize what is an informational interview, why you do it, how you do it, and show some people actually giving or doing an informational interview. It's only 5 minutes. The instructions for accessing the video are down here. Again, we'll talk about what are they, then why we should do them, what you will get out of it, and why people like doing them or being interviewed. So you'll understand that it's nice for the person being interviewed as well. And the other thing that we'll talk about are what are some pros and cons, so sort of some cautions about the information that you learn at your informational interview.